Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of April 4th, 2017. As always, the charts in this presentation are provided to us by Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. In looking at the weekly bond market chart here, they have come back up to the highs of the congestion area here, and last week being open and closing almost the same amount is kind of sort of a breakout situation. So taking out this high could have caused them to explode, but they haven't so far. And that kind of suggests that maybe they're failing up here at the highs. I mean, they tried the lows here, and now they're trying the highs, and they could be failing at both of them, just going back down into the middle here. The initial resistance this week was around 152, and they poked above that a little bit and above last week's high and then have come back down, so that's not a good sign. On the other hand, the best support this week is actually kind of between 150 and 149.20 in this area here, and they seem to be holding up here at the upper moving average at 150.20, which kind of really wasn't supposed to be support this week. So, I don't know. I still think the probability is that they would work lower, but we've got problems this week. We've got the FOMC minutes, the minutes of the last meeting released Wednesday afternoon, and we have 3 days worth of employment data due out for the rest of the week. So lots of things could buffet the market and change this rapidly. But for now, it kind of looks like they're failing near the highs here, and I'd expect them to at least be back down in this area someplace, subject to change based on reports. Now, stocks, well, they're kind of lackadaisical and not quite doing much either. The 2357 area kind of seems to be a magnet, that middle moving average. They opened there, they've gone both sides of it, and they're still there, kind of. We're looking at basically support in the 2335 area and resistance roughly 2378. I'm not sure how they'll act at either of those areas. And again, we have the FOMC meeting minutes and the 3 employment days that could factor in. There also seems to be a lot of focus on a meeting between President Trump and China's Xi. And isn't it fun when you expect fireworks from every meeting your president has with a foreign dignitary? But anything could come out of that, so I'm not sure that either the support and resistance are sturdy this week, but that's where I think they are, so I'll be monitoring them. And that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something